Here are 2 ways to save hundreds of dollars on your mortgage payment every month if you're buying a house right now with these higher interest rates. Okay, so let's pretend we're buying a $300,000 house and we're putting 5% down on the place to get ourselves in the door. And at a 7.25% interest rate, that's going to put the principal and interest portion of your mortgage at $2,014 per month. Now, realistically, that's higher than where we'd like to be, but let's say we plan on refinancing that mortgage in the next year or two when rates go back down to 5.5%. And at that point, that puts our new monthly payment at $1,688. So boom, just like that, we're paying $326 per month less than we were before, permanently. But did you know that you can actually choose to put extra money down at the time that you refinance as well to save you even more money off your monthly payment? Like, let's say you decided to put 5% down on the house when you initially purchased it to save some money in upfront costs, but then after a year or two, you have the extra money to put another 5% down when you refinance, which brings your total amount down to 10%. Well, that's going to save you money off your monthly payment also because you're decreasing the total amount that you're paying interest on, bringing your payment down to $1,582 per month. That's an extra $100 and change more than what you would have saved by simply refinancing with the original 5% down. So in total, we permanently decreased that monthly payment by $432 per month, and we really only had to pay the higher monthly mortgage payment for a year or two. And in that same process, we bought the house earlier and have been building equity in it every single month that we've owned it, which we simply would not have had the opportunity to do had we waited for rates to go down before we bought. So don't feel like you're getting yourself into a bad deal by locking in a higher interest rate right now. It doesn't have to be permanent. And there are lots of ways to save money on your monthly payment the longer that you own the house. The biggest thing is just buying the house.